guys. These goats just climbed through the smallest hole ever. Once they're done coming back through here, I'll show it to you. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Bunch of heavy bred nannies fit through a hole no bigger than their barrel. Real life goat ranching here, guys. About like a dog and pony show. I hope somebody's sitting at home on their couch laughing, because there's no telling if I'm really going to get them all off this neighbor's place, because that's not our land. And I'm not just welcome to trot around there and just go look for everything. So the best I can do is look on the fence, try to get them. I've got a bunch more of them that are up that way that I'm going to have to go fetch, that I found when I first got in here. So, and I have to wait and do that until after I fix this hole, I guess. Go back around there and open a gate somewhere, push them through. The only thing you can really learn from this, guys, is that when goats do get out, if they found a hole with just enough pressure on them, not a lot, I just got this dog out here putting a little pressure on them, those goats will usually go back and find the hole that they came out of. And so if you don't have a gate around, or you're not sure where they got out, you start putting a little pressure on them, and they'll usually run back and find it for you. So that's about the only tip of the day I can give you today. So hopefully I got this one with a dang pipe across its horn so it doesn't stick its head through 6-inch stay woven wire fence. So it'll be a trick to get her back through. So I'll probably take the camera off to see how that works out. But anyhow, we'll be talking to you. So before I go to work on it, you guys can see that's what I'm working with right there. That hole, no telling how many went through right there, you know. So it doesn't take much. It doesn't take much at all.